The gutted rooms of the Taj Hotel, now a scar at the heart of India's business capital. The latest attacks have left the nation's financial sector reeling. The Mumbai and National Stock Exchange, the Sensex, were closed for the day, and the rupee dropped in value. There are fears overseas investors may be put off, but India's booming economy is still attractive.
Large PLCs that are making capital investments, large FDI, foreign direct investments into India, will have a longer term view. I think in terms of the smaller companies that may be just interested in the market or have been working with China and now switching to India and looking at the opportunities there, they may be slightly more cautious in the approach.
IT, manufacturing and the country's Mumbai-based film industry drive the Indian economy. So also does tourism. But the latest attacks against foreigners, reportedly targeting British and US passport holders, have damaged the nation's reputation as a popular travel destination. A sizable portion of India's economy is dependent on foreign travellers. India's tourism ministry have marketed the country as an exotic and safe location. But will a night of violence undo all this hard work? Figures from January to September this year show nearly 3.9 million tourists enter the country. That's more than a 10% rise from the previous year. And regardless of fears of a prolonged recession, India is expecting to welcome 10 million people when it hosts the Commonwealth Games in 2010.
Suddenly it's turning into sort of, a war zone with people running and hiding.
But tour operators are concerned the latest violence will deter foreigners from travelling to the country.
People that have already booked will go unless the Foreign Office say you must not go to India. People who are thinking of going will certainly put it off, because why do something that you're not sure about? They'll say, India will still be there in 2 years' time, maybe things will settle down.
It's headlines like these in the British press that are sending a clear message to travellers to stay away. And as India suffers a terrible night of destruction, there's also an economic price to be paid. Neve Barker, Al Jazeera, London.